Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a monobasic acid. Why it is monobasic acid? Because when it dissolves in water, it will furnish one hydronium ion per molecule of acid. Okay, one molecule of HCl will produce one hydronium ion. That is why it is known as monobasic acid. And monobasic acid when react with base will give only normal salt, not acid salt, as they contain only one replaceable hydrogen. Clear? Then aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride is strongly acidic in nature due to presence of which ion? Hydronium ion. Water is a polar covalent solvent. It will ionize hydrogen chloride to form hydronium ion and chloride ion. So, aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride will show all acidic properties that we have already discussed. All indicator test, all acidic property like reaction with active metal, how it react with carbonate to release carbon dioxide, with sulfide to sulfur dioxide. So, that I have already explained in chapter acid. Okay, that you can see, that video you can see. So, here we will not discuss those property again. Here we will discuss properties of concentrated hydrochloric acid and how to identify hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride gas. Okay, that only we are going to discuss today. But before starting, one thing more, I will repeat only that a solution of hydrogen chloride in organic solvent like toluene will not show acidic property nor conduct electricity. Why? Due to absence of hydronium ion, as hydrogen chloride will ionize in aqueous solution only, not in organic solvent. Okay, so this is I have repeated again. So next we will study property of concentrated hydrochloric acid. So first we start with aqua regia. Okay, so you should know what is aqua regia first thing. Aqua regia is a mixture of 1 part of concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid by volume. Okay. When these two react together, what will be the product? Salt. Which salt is formed? Nitrosyl chloride plus water plus nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine means atomic chlorine. Okay. So, this nascent chlorine react with noble metal, form respective chloride. That is why noble metal dissolve in aqua regia. They do not dissolve in any other acid, even nitric acid or sulfuric acid, but they dissolve. Gold and platinum will dissolve in aqua regia. Okay, so what is aqua regia? This is clear. 1 part of concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Here, what is the role of nitric acid? This is only a strong oxidizing agent. It will oxidize concentrated hydrochloric acid, liberating nascent chlorine, and nascent chlorine only react with gold and platinum to form respective chloride. So, aqua regia dissolve noble metals, example gold and platinum, which are insoluble in all other acid. So, this is very important property and very important use of concentrated hydrochloric acid and even nitric acid also. So, this point is clear, no confusion in this one. Next, what we will discuss, reaction between oxidizing agent, other oxidizing agent and concentrated hydrochloric acid. These we will discuss. These reactions are also very important. Powerful oxidizing agent like manganese dioxide, lead dioxide, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, they will oxidize concentrated hydrochloric acid liberating chlorine. So, these reactions you see, first we will take manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide black in color, practical that also I have already explained to you. This reaction can be used to distinguish between copper oxide, which is also black in color, and manganese dioxide. This is also black in color. Manganese dioxide when react with hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, it will form salt, manganese chloride plus water plus chlorine gas. Okay. So, this point is clear. These reaction can be used for the preparation of chlorine gas also. Okay. So, here what is the role of HCl? It acts as a reducing agent only. It will be oxidized by powerful oxidizing agent. Same way with lead dioxide also, it will form lead chloride, water and chlorine. If potassium dichromate react with concentrated hydrochloric acid, then you have to see two salts will be formed, potassium chloride and chromium chloride. Same way with potassium permanganate also, potassium chloride and manganese chloride. Otherwise, just learn word equation and try to balance equation by yourself. Okay. When oxidizing agent, powerful oxidizing agent react with concentrated hydrochloric acid, what will be the product? Salt, water and chlorine gas. Okay. So, these two are the typical reaction of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Next, what you should know, I will tell you about how to identify hydrochloric acid, some common test. So, one first test you already know, that a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution, that is ammonium hydroxide, brought near vapor of hydrochloric acid, what we will see? Dense white fumes of ammonium chloride are formed. This is first test. We can identify presence of hydrochloric acid using solution of ammonia. Okay. Then very important test, that is addition of silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate can be used to identify hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride gas or any chloride salt, as silver nitrate when react with hydrochloric acid or any soluble chloride salt, it will form white precipitate of silver chloride, which is insoluble in acid, dilute nitric acid other product. So, it is insoluble in nitric acid, but it dissolve in ammonium hydroxide. If you remember practical chemistry, that also I have uploaded one video. Ammonium hydroxide will dissolve copper hydroxide, zinc hydroxide and third one silver chloride. Okay. Silver chloride dissolve in excess of ammonium hydroxide to form soluble diamine silver chloride. Okay. So, all these tests can be used to identify not only hydrochloric acid, but chloride radicals also it can be used to identify. One test, manganese dioxide can be used. When manganese dioxide is added to concentrated hydrochloric acid, it will oxidize it to chlorine gas, and color of the chlorine gas you already know, that is greenish yellow gas. So, by using any test, any one of the tests, we can identify presence of hydrochloric acid or any chloride ion. So, that is it. Thank you.